What's going on, guys? It's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures. So, you know what? Do you guys know what this is? It's a map, okay? And the reason I'm showing you a map is, and I've helped people before because they have no cell phone reception, or their GPS has no reception, or whatever the case may be. The problem is they don't have any reception. They don't know where they are. They're kind of lost. So I'm going, you know, this is the important. When I go into a place I don't have a map for, I get one. And it has saved my butt. Whoa, that's a little bit of a bump. It has saved my butt a ton of times. And with a map, you can see your terrain. You know, you can look for a river. You can kind of locate yourself in where you are. Because there's nothing worse than getting out somewhere than trying to look at a map on your phone going, uh-oh. You know, no service. So, if you're traveling around, pick up a map. You can order a lot of maps for free just by contacting wherever you're going. Their tourism section will sometimes send you a map for free. So you might want to check that out. Also, if you don't know how to use a map, go online, figure it out, or ask somebody. Usually, if you, like I was lucky, my dad showed me how to use a map, and I keep using maps. Sometimes I will use a map instead of my phone, or I don't own a GPS. So, if you don't know how to use one, learn how. Guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, take care, check out the website, www.ghettovanadventures.com. Be safe on the road.